So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to set your read message as a mark as unread in Instagram. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the Instagram app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it, and this is the home page of your Instagram account. Now you should have to tap on message icon which is available on the lower bottom of your screen. So tap on it, and this is the message. Every message has in its pin capability. So now tap on message which you want to mark as unread. So I'm tapping here like this. You can just tap it until you will see the option of this, and you can simply see the option of mark as unread. So tap on it. Now see, your message has been set successfully as a mark as unread. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.